Hello again, viewers. Today we're at IKEA at Mega Bangna on Bangna Trot here in Bangkok. The line was too busy, so I didn't take a video of me ordering this food. But we're gonna try some things out here today. These things, and here's the pricing. Well, we'll do this at the table. But let me give you a lay of the land. We're on the second floor of Mega Bangna. They have a cafe over there with blended drinks and coffees. And then a bunch of tables, obviously. There's always plenty of seating here at this IKEA. And by the way, Swedish people call it IKEA, not IKEA, not IKEA. It's IKEA. I guess we're gonna eat here. Alright, let me get set up. I forgot, you gotta get your utensils by the cashier. So just keep that in mind. I'm sure it's pretty much the same at every IKEA, right? Gonna have a coffee later. They usually have 2 cashiers open, but not at 8 o'clock at night. Alright, here are the prices of the things I got. The first thing is a plant-based schnitzel. The second one is a salmon open sandwich, 65 baht. And then they have this new thing I haven't seen before, croquettes. One is a corn croquette, the other is a curry croquette. And then I got my free cup of tea. And then basically I got all this food here for 185 baht, which is less than $6. That seems like a pretty awesome deal to me. I find that the IKEAs here in this country are different as far as the food dishes. You know, they definitely have some Thai-oriented foods. You know, this has got basil on the rice, like Thai dishes often do. Anyway, so this is plant-based, and I've had it many times before. It's quite good. Comes with a green curry on it. Let's take a look here. So it kind of looks like a chicken nugget, but it's all plant matter. It's actually a little bit crispy because it's fried. The green curry sauce is actually a little bit spicy. Not like Thai street food spicy, but spicy to a Westerner. Okay, so this rice, you got some peas, basil, and looks like red chili pepper cut up in there. Yeah, it's not mushy at all, but it's not dry either. So it's well done, this rice. Some good old broccoli. I imagine it's probably frozen before. Yeah, steamed broccoli, whatever. It's okay. So that dish is good. That was only 75 baht, I think. So this is salmon. We've got a lemon slice here. I don't know why they bother with these. This seems like a waste of time and money. These little flags. So I'm gonna have to just eat this by. Well, maybe I want to get a little bit with the sauce. Looks like it's got dill in the sauce. Okay, so the bread is fairly soft. Yeah. I think there might be cheese in there. I got the sensation of cheese. Let me dig into this thing. Yeah, alright, so there is cheese down here on the bottom. Looks like it's cream cheese or something. The lettuce is nice and green. And this is a nice big wedge of lemon here, so let me get some of this on there. Yeah, that's very good. It tastes very Swedish. So, especially the cheese really helps out. Alright, it's getting too difficult to eat with just one hand. Hold on. Alright, that one's good. Alright, so the new dish. So these look like the corn croquettes. Let's take a look at the inside here. Yeah, definitely see some corn coming out of there. Slightly fried. And then the rest should be potato, but let's take a taste. Yeah, it tastes like a corn croquette. It's not... It's got a little bit of sweetness to it. Maybe that's part of the corn itself. This corn might be sweet. It's not super crunchy, but it's not soggy either. It definitely tastes like fried food. That's pretty good. So now this one is a curry croquette. Let's try to see what's on the inside of this. Well, it's definitely brown. There's a little bit of carrot in there. And I think there's a pea right there. Okay. It is quite unexpected. This tastes like Indian curry. This doesn't taste like a Thai curry to me. It tastes like India, the country of India, their curry, which I like. I love Indian food. So they're very, very different flavors. This one isn't sweet at all. It just tastes like an Indian curry. A lot of curry powder. But it's not spicy at all. It's very mild, and both of them are not spicy at all. But the corn one's a little bit sweeter. Yeah, so I like them because they're very contrasting. Alright. And, you know, you can't expect much from a free thing of popcorn, but let's see. I'm gonna guess it's caramel. It's buttery. Yeah, it's like a caramel popcorn. I believe there might be some cinnamon in there. Maybe not. Maybe. Yeah, actually I think there's a hint of cinnamon. So, honestly I don't know which I like the most. I do like the plant-based schnitzel. I'm really liking this curry croquette. And I'm really liking the salmon sandwich here. Well, anyways, if it's only 185 baht for all of this, you know, it's a great place to get a good value meal. And if you just want to mix it up from eating Thai food all the time. Alright guys, well, I'll see you at the next time. Bye.